Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, Mike, and today we're going to be doing a little bit more of this silver part up here. As you can see, the bits down here have fell off again, so the silver seems to have done much better. So as you can see, we're going to be doing a little bit more up here and see how we get on. But yeah, it's been quite a lovely day today. I've not done any filming today apart from this one and one that's going up on my other channel at 7:30. I thought, because I've been filming like 8 till 7 for 2 days so far, and I thought today I want like a little bit of a break, so do a few, and plus the weekend's coming up, so I don't film on the weekends anyway, so just have that nice chill period, you know. So got up today, had my shower as you do, and put the kettle on. I had a lovely light in. I got up at about, the alarm went off at 9, and then because I was back at, you know, going to sleep at 12 o'clock again, and the alarm went off at 9 and I was still tired because I could not get to sleep last night. It got to about 2 o'clock before I got to sleep. I need like a hot chocolate or like something that makes you tired, and I was still tired at 9, so I didn't get up till 10. I thought, right, we've got to get up now. So then after that I did some checking my emails, and then had a bit of a coffee while watching some YouTube. And then I did a bit of tidying up in the bedroom and the front room and getting stuff ready for tomorrow, because at the weekend, normally on a Sunday I call it utility day, which is where I, you know, do mainly all the housework, washing the floors and hoovering the floors and stuff like that. So yeah, changing all the duvet and that sort of thing, polishing. I don't really polish, to be fair with you, but I like to do the windows, clean the windows and that, and yeah, that oven needs a bit of a clean again, so I might do that, because we got quite a lot off last time, but it's just that centre bit in the middle that's a pain to get off. So then after that I set it up for this, and then did a bit more reading, and then did a bit more reading, and then I did this. No, a bit more reading, and then set it up for this. What am I talking about? That's gone on pretty quick. Wow. So it's alright when it goes fine, it's when it starts prattling about that's the problem. So we'll just seal this next part here, and then after this I'll probably do a bit more reading, put dinner on so that it's nice and early, because I don't like having dinner late, and then I'll film the other thing. What is that? That's not silver. Where's that come from? Yeah, have dinner, then film the other thing, and then do even more reading. Oh, it's so satisfying, you know, you read a magazine, shred it, and just seeing all that shredded paper, knowing that you've recycled something, it's just brilliant. So yeah, it's pretty good. So again, pink, what's going on with that? I'm sure that was silver. I think it's the pink wax doing it on this pen, because with diamond paintings you get some pink wax. So yeah, okay. See, the thing is with this, you can be creative. You can use any colour you want that they provide, or if you wanted to, you could probably use some spare drills from other paintings if you wanted to, but obviously this silver is definitely one that I've never worked with before, and it's lovely, really, really lovely. So it's another hot day today. Roll on the winter. Because when it was raining, I was thought, oh, great, no more hot weather, and then you get hot weather, it changes like the sun. So yeah. Okay, so I've just put a little bit more glue. Whoops. And it's been on the news today that Royal Mail have got a strike, but there's contingency plans in place so that, you know, you can still get your mail and that, so that's good. So that's pretty lovely. What I'm going to do is seal the back next, so seal all around here and there if we can, and then we'll focus on the ears later, because you need to ensure that you do the centre points first, because that's much more of a larger section. This colour is absolutely wonderful. I'd love to make a card in this this silver stuff. It's lovely. You know, like a tinsel or something on a card, a Christmas card. As I said, like I say many times, it is so satisfying seeing every drill being put on. We haven't done much of the... There's another colour I think we got in this. I don't know where that yellow's come from. But yeah, I'm going to have a pizza tonight, something nice and quick. But I was so like fill up yesterday because I bought some donuts that I halved the pizza so I could have half today and half tomorrow. So yeah. Okay. Really happy with how this has come out actually. Love seeing like the gaps closed up, you know. Sit like that, you can, I mean obviously you're still going to get white patches, but the trick of the key here is to try and seal as much gap up as possible. So yeah. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. We are running out of the silver, so this probably will be the last bit on this, but I'm probably going to give him green shoes. See, when it goes on fine, I'm happy. It's when it starts to play up that's what the problem is. And as I said, I think it's because we weren't allowing it long enough to dry. Because since we've let it dry for 24 hours, we seem to get, like they stay on more. So it's really, really good that that does that. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it around here now. And we'll just do down here next. We'll seal that gap up in a bit, but I just want to get a little bit round here next. Like that. Lovely. guys, just sorting out my drill and it won't pick up. I mean, as I said, it's up to you. You don't have to have the back of this colour, but for me, I don't like seeing patches. I like to see it all covered, you know. So yeah. That went there absolutely perfect. We've got to do a bit of repair around here because it sort of came off. But yeah, I have decided on it. I'm not going to be doing another 3D project like this because I never thought I'd say that, but this is quite challenging to do. You know, the slightest knock and it thing falls off, but if there's any feedback I could give to the company that makes this, I would suggest using a much more stronger glue, because this doesn't really stick very well. But what I will say is there's always pros and cons or pros and negatives, and what I do like is the fact that although this glue is not the best, it's not a quick drying glue. So if you've put the drill in the wrong place, it allows you to quickly move it. So yeah, it's pretty good. Oops, never picked one up there. Still waiting for my sewing machine and it still ain't come, so I don't know what's going on with that. It's saying 28 days, but the 3 binoculars that I got, the sewing machine that is relating into a different magazine that I signed up before the other magazine, but for some reason this is taking a while to come in. As I said, there is one with a mannequin, and at the moment they're doing an offer where you get an Amazon gift card or a M&S card. I think one of them is mountain bike, but I think the other one is something science focus or something like that. But I was like, damn, I can't do that, I've already got that one. But I've not done the mountain bike one before, so yeah. I've actually got a mountain bike, funny enough. It's multicoloured, it's red and blue. Okay, so we've got about 5 minutes left, so I'm just going to see if I can do this little bit down here in the crevice of the neck, and see how we go on here. Oh, that's lovely. It's really sealing that gap up. Oh, lovely. I think this is the only session I've done so far where I've been really, really happy with it. I was waiting for some mail yesterday and no mail yesterday, so I used to have like mail every day, and now it's just like once a week. Because over here we get Sunday mail. So we get Monday, because we're quite a large town, we get Sunday delivery as well. So, but only if it's like a guaranteed service, like if it's next day or something. Sometimes they will deliver it on the Sunday, but that is looking good. What I would love to do now, we've just sealed that, if we can just seal this little section up here, that'd be great, and then we can really put the cherry on the cake for that. So yeah, It's going to be quite awkward, this section, because it's trying to get that in the thing and that's tilted. I think that's just gone upside down, but it is what it is. Apparently, I was one of my friends was telling me that apparently these ABs are the ones that are the shiny ones that sort of glitter or shimmy, if you like. Apparently they're very expensive or something to make. Okay, I reckon I'll have 2 drills on that and that should do it. Probably one more, just to seal that little hole there. It might be best with a nail art pen. That is perfect. There is a little part there that I want to do as well. Because with a nail art pen, you can see it's got a much finer tip compared to that. So that might be good for ones that you do around here. But I do just want to put a drill just in that little splodge there, if it will let me. Because that has dried pretty... it's quite a tight gap, but oh yes, brilliant. It feels like it's overlapping, but let's just see if I can shift it. Yeah, baby, look at that. Oh, that's brilliant. So obviously that is basically, we've literally got limited drills here, but all of the back is there done, which is beautiful. So the next session, what I think I will do is work a little bit more on this blue tomorrow and see if we can get like all of around here fixed. Yeah, it's looking really, really good actually. I'm really happy with it. We've got to do some repair work here because that was before we didn't allow it to dry, but if we leave it a lovely 24 hours, we shouldn't get that peeling problem. But yeah, that is that. So I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember to tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And I will see you on Monday, because remember that I don't do videos at the weekend, so the next Darwin the Dragon will now be on Monday. So yeah, see you then guys. Have a lovely evening ahead. Take care. Bye.